Hey guys, it's me again. So in today's video, we're gonna be working on my forklift. Now the last video you guys seen me work on my forklift, I got zapped pretty good. Real good. And it actually kinda did hurt. Now never mind that, but let me tell you about my forklift. We have 4 problems. Okay, now problem number 1 is we need to install the spark plugs back into the forklift. Problem number 2, we have to install the plate on the bell housing so that way nothing falls into the clutch area and things like that. Number 4, we have to start removing the exhaust manifold. Now it is a one piece where it's connected to the intake as well. And finally, number 3, we have to take a look at the water pump. Now because somebody has resealed the water pump and it is leaking. Now because it is leaking, it's just simply dripping. I don't like that. I'd like to fix it up where it works. Maybe get a new one. Maybe just get a gasket. We'll take a look at it. We'll address it. Now let me show you some of the things I'm going to be doing.